Chapter 6, Adding Special Effects to Presentation. How to give a consistent look to a presentation. There are 3 ways to give a consistent look to all the slides of a presentation. These are slide masters, color schemes, design templates. Slide masters. The slide master controls the format and placement of the titles, text, background items such as graphics you want to appear on every slide or title slide. Any change you make to a slide master is reflected on each slide of the presentation. If you want some slides to look different from the master slide, you can make changes to that slide. Color schemes. Color schemes are sets of 8 balanced colors designed for use as the main colors of a slide presentation for text, background, fill, etc. Each color in the scheme is used automatically for a different element on a slide. You can pick a color scheme for an entire presentation. When you apply a design template to a presentation, you can choose from a set of pre-designed color schemes from task pane to go with each design template. This makes it easy to change color schemes for a slide or an entire presentation and know that the new color scheme will harmonize with the rest of the slides in your presentation. To change color scheme of a slide or some selected slides or all slides of a presentation, follow the steps given below. Step 1. From the task pane, click on pull-down menu that appears. Click on Slide Design, Color Schemes option. Step 2. Click on the suitable color scheme to apply it on the current slide only, or right-click to choose from option Apply to all slides or Apply to selected slides. Design templates. Design templates contain both color schemes and slide masters with custom formatting and styled fonts designed for a particular look. After you apply a design template, each slide you add has the same custom look. Working with slides. Adding a new slide to a presentation. To add a new slide to a presentation, click on New Slide option in Insert menu. Or on the Common Task toolbar, click New Slide. Copying or duplicating slides. To save time that you spend on doing color scheme settings, setting fonts for text, etc., you can copy or duplicate the slide and then simply change the text. Duplicating slides within a presentation. To duplicate slides, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the slides or slide you want to duplicate. Step 2. On the Insert menu, click Duplicate Slide. You can also do it through keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl and Shift and D. Copying a slide from one presentation to another. To copy a slide from one presentation to another, follow the following steps. Step 1. Select the slide you want to insert another slide after. Step 2. On the Insert menu, click Slides from File. Step 3. Find and select the presentation you want to copy a slide from. Step 4. Select the slide or slides you want to copy and then click Insert and then click the Close button. Deleting a slide. If you want to remove a particular slide from a presentation, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Select the slide you want to delete. Step 2. On the Edit menu, click Delete Slide. To delete multiple slides, switch to Slide Sorter or Outline View. Hold down the Shift key to select the consecutive slides or press Ctrl key to select any slide. Then click Delete Slide option or simply press Delete key. Adding animation effects to a slide. You can add special visual and sound effects to text and graphics on a slide to focus on important points, control the flow of information, and add interest to your presentation. You can also set the timings of the animation effects to occur automatically without having to click the mouse. To animate text and graphic objects, follow the steps given below. Step 1. In Slide View, select the slide that has the text or graphics you want to animate. Step 2. Select the text or object you want to animate. Step 3. Click on Custom Animation option in the Slideshow menu. The Custom Animation task pane will appear to the right of the screen. Step 4. Click on the Add Effect button in the task pane and choose from Type of Effect options: Entrance, Emphasis, Exit, or Motion Parts. Step 5. See its preview on the slide. Step 6. Select the starting style of animation by clicking on Start options. Step 7. Delete the effect by selecting it and clicking on the Remove button. Setting the order of animated objects. You can change the order in which animated objects appear on a slide by following the steps given below. Step 1. In Slide View, display the slide you want to change the order in. Step 2. On the task pane, select the animation effect whose order you want to change and click on the up arrow or down arrow reorder buttons. Repeat the process for each object whose order you want to change. Inserting music or sound on a slide. To add music or sound to a slide, follow the steps given below. Step 1. In Slide View, display the slide you want to add music or sound to. Step 2. On the Insert menu, point to Movies and Sounds. Step 3. To insert a sound, from the clip organizer. Click Sound from Clip Organizer. To insert a sound from another location, click Sound from File, locate the folder that contains the sound, and then double-click the sound you want. The sound icon appears on the slide. How to add transitions to a slideshow. Transition is a special effect used to introduce a slide during a slideshow. For example, you can fade in from black or dissolve from one slide to another. You can choose the transitions you want and you can vary the speed of each. To add transition effect after each slide of a slideshow, follow the steps given below. Step 1. In Slide View, select the slide you want to add a transition to. Step 2. Click on the Slideshow menu. Step 3. Click Slide Transitions. Step 4. In the Slide Transition task pane, click to select the transition effect you want and then select any other options you want. Step 5. Click on Transition Effect to apply it to the selected slide, or click on Apply to All buttons at the bottom of the taskbar if you want it for all the slides of the presentation. To see their effect, click Slideshow button. Setting timings for a slideshow. If you do not want to move manually through a slideshow, you can set length of time for which a slide appears on the screen, either manually or automatically. To set the slideshow timings manually, follow the steps given below. Step 1. In the slide view, select the slide or slides you want to set the timings for. Step 2. On the slideshow menu, click Slide Transition. Step 3. Under Advanced Slide, click on Mouse Click or Automatically After and then enter the number of seconds you want the slide to appear on the screen. Step 4. Click on Apply to All in case you want the same timing for all the slides of the screen.